Rumble strips are an inexpensive way to alert drivers who may inadvertently leave their assigned roadway. But when these same roads are repaired and newer layers of seal coat are added, their effectiveness can diminish. The Texas A&M Transportation Institute and the Texas Department of Transportation are looking into how seal coat application can lead to a drop in the performance of these strips.
So rumble strips are a very common, low-cost, effective measure for reducing crashes. The problem is that we do seal coats to maintain these roadways, especially rural roadways, all the time. And when you put a seal coat down, you're going from one edge of the pavement to the other, and you're going to cover up the rumble strips. So over time, you're going to have less effective rumble strips just because you're doing pavement maintenance.
The project at first was really intended to answer a basic question: how many times can we seal coat over milled rumble strips on the side of the road? Is it one time? Is it twice? Or is it dependent on the location? We need to find a way to make sure that we're preserving the road and maintaining it, but at the same time that our rumble strips are effective and they're providing their intended effect.
We had 55 rumble strips identified that were going to be seal coated. So we evaluated the noise and vibration performance of these rumble strips before and after the seal coats were applied. We found that if you know the rumble strip performance beforehand, you can predict what it's going to be after the seal coat goes down. So we developed a design tool that TxDOT can go collect some information in the field. What they need to do is go to the field and measure the noise performance beforehand using a sound level meter, much like this one. They can measure the rumble strip performance initially. Also, they can get rumble strip depth, the speed limit, and the seal coat type, and put those into the model and predict the rumble strip performance.
The biggest benefit that will come out of this is a process that we can follow as an agency, a simplified tool so that this decision is easy to make and folks that are involved in doing the seal coats aren't left to make a determination that otherwise can be kind of complicated by going with a rule of thumb that we may not be sure meets the intended effect of the rumble strips. We're really tying in maintenance and preservation of roadways along with operations, which is typically more about safety and moving traffic along the highway. We're really trying to draw those two fields closer together to ensure that not only are the roads maintained as best as we can with as minimal amount of money as possible, but at the same time we're meeting our goals of safety and trying to move towards mission zero, where in the future we don't have any roadway fatalities. Now those two fields are really merging together in a way that benefits the traveling public.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.